Welcome to the tower at Lakeside, right here in Flower Mound, Texas. I am standing inside this finished unit. This particular floor plan is called the Monaco, right here at the towers at Lakeside. This beautiful 16-story building is really making great progress. There's 4 floor plans available, and it is amenity rich. Imagine a 24-hour concierge, a valet, a gym, a pool room, a movie room, a wine room, a whiskey room, and more. There's so much that Lakeside Tower offers the residents. The 4 different floor plans are amazing, and the custom finish outs are absolutely beautiful. Take a look around and look at what this particular unit did. We're located on the 5th floor, and the views are amazing, looking out over Lake Grapevine. This is the northernmost luxury condo in the entire DFW area and offers wonderful opportunities for shopping, lifestyle, beautiful parks, walking trails, and the list goes on and on and on. I can imagine you living here because I can imagine myself living here. For a private tour of this unit or some of the others that are being finished out, call my team at 972-724-2540 and we'll make sure that you get up here to take a look. Or click the link above for more detailed information about this opportunity here in Flower Mound at the Lakeside Tower.